In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Smartsheet to ClickUp using an automation platform. If you want to automatically send information from Smartsheet into ClickUp, this setup is a simple and effective way to do it. The idea is that whenever something happens in Smartsheet, like a new row being added, your automation platform can instantly create a corresponding task in ClickUp. This can save time, reduce manual copy and paste, and help your team stay organized. To begin, open your preferred automation or integration platform. This is the tool that will act as the bridge between Smartsheet and ClickUp. Once you're inside, start creating a new workflow or automation. For the first app, select Smartsheet. This will be the source of the information, meaning it's where the workflow will begin. After choosing Smartsheet, you'll need to define the trigger. A common trigger is when a new Smartsheet row is created. This means every time a new row appears in your chosen sheet, the automation will start running. Make sure you select the correct sheet so the workflow listens to the right data. Next, choose ClickUp as the second app. ClickUp will be the destination where the information from Smartsheet will be sent. After that, select the action you want ClickUp to perform. A very common option is creating a task. This is useful if you want each new Smartsheet row to become a task your team can track and manage inside ClickUp. Once the trigger and action are selected, the next part is mapping the fields between Smartsheet and ClickUp. This is where you tell the automation which information goes where. For example, a row title in Smartsheet might become the task name in ClickUp, while other columns can be used for the description, due date, or other task details. Take your time during this part because accurate field mapping is what makes the automation useful and reliable. After everything is mapped, test the workflow. This step is important because it confirms that the automation is working the way you expect. Run the test and check ClickUp to make sure the task is created correctly and that all the information appears in the right places. If the test looks good, your workflow is ready to use. From that point on, new Smartsheet rows can automatically create ClickUp tasks, helping you streamline your process and keep work moving without extra manual effort.